Dussehra is a rather short process in northern India. However, was quite different for me to witness this unique activity. Usually with Ma Durga setting off, Bijaya comes in during this time at Bengal, India. I saw a wooden structure wrapped in a colorful paper attire of Ravana, the demon king, being shot to pieces. Within 10 minutes, this figure is blown to bits, heralding the destruction of the evil. Hope you enjoy it. Hundreds thronged a small compound to enjoy the spectacle. I am sure many more can be seen throughout the country. The children in particular were very excited. The Ravan king, with his 10 heads, was all set to bear the brunt. With his raging eyes, looked deep into the night. The mouth cracked open as he gave the battle cry. A subdued armor of paper, made colorful with a weapon in the right hand and a shield in the left. His simply dressed, heaving chest jutted out. Young and old were very excited to gather to lit Chinese lanterns to kick it off. As the hot gases started to build momentum within the confines of the paper enclosure, everyone held their breath with expectation. Anytime the lantern will dislodge from the nimble hands and make itself skywards. So it did, finally. With the lanterns gone, an eager warrior with a glowing bamboo pole approached the demon king. The static structure couldn't do much other than waiting its fate. The structure caught fire and the crackers started to explode. A roar of joyous victory rang the small field when the demon got engulfed in the licking flames. All that remained was a heap of twisted structure, charred black, and flames dancing upwards to the air. The demon king finally got annihilated.